Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Really easy dinner to put together tonight. Okay, we're gonna make some baked chicken drumsticks in the oven. So easy. We're gonna put together the paste, brush it over it, throw it in the oven at 400 and leave it for about 40 minutes. At the 40-minute mark, I'm going to turn them. I'm going to check them. Usually takes between 40 to 45 minutes to cook the drumsticks. Okay, let's start making the paste that I'm going to put on there. So we're going to put a little bit of oil. It's about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, give or take. Let's say about half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Everything is 1 except for, okay, 1, except for when we get to the cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Gotta love that paprika. Okay. A half a teaspoon? I think that's a little bit too much. How about a quarter? 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I think that's gonna be just perfect. Okay, a heaping quarter. Okay, I think that's gonna do. Mix this all up. And make a nice little paste. I mean, you could be lazy. I do this a lot too. I pour the oil right on there and I just sprinkle everything on. But you know what? This makes life a little bit simpler and keeps your hands a little bit cleaner. Okay. Now we take our brush. You can see what I'm doing here. Okay, and we're just gonna brush that on. Actually, I'm gonna have to turn them over anyways. So, I don't know how that helps from keeping your hands clean, or doesn't matter. You know what I always say? A good chef in your kitchen, you always have dirty hands. Okay? You cannot ever not touch the food. I don't know what kind of chef that would be. That you don't touch the food, you don't rub this in. Normally that's what I do anyways. I rub it in with my own hands. But today I felt like being a little fancy and using the brush. Okay, flip. You know what? I'm not left-handed. That's what it is. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. We're done. So, we're going to throw that into 400-degree oven and keep an eye on it. In 40 minutes, we're going to check it. It should be cooked. If not, we're going to leave it in for a couple of more minutes. I think chicken is, the internal temperature should be 165. Let me double check that. But I'm pretty sure. Let me just wash my hands, please. I am pretty sure that it's supposed to be 165. Let me see. This is turkey, pork. What happened to the chicken? Here you go. Poultry, chicken, 165. Okay? The minimum temperature is 165. So actually, if you let it go to 170, 175, well, 170, that would be nice. I don't like seeing any pink in my chicken. I don't think anybody does. Okay, that's it. I'll show you when it's ready.